All right, let's dive into some wild new tech that's tackling a super old problem.
Sounds like something out of a movie, right? But believe it or not, it's real.
And we're not talking about your average bug zapper. This thing is seriously high tech.
So let's get into what this thing can actually do. It's pretty impressive.
Get this, it can track and zap up to 30 mosquitoes at the exact same time. And the speed? It's just nuts. It takes out a target in 0.003 of a second.
Once you turn it on, it's constantly scanning everything in a 6-meter bubble around it.
And to do that, it's pulsing its laser about 500 times every single second.
So what's the process? Well, it's a 4-step kill chain, all on autopilot.
But that brings up a huge question, right? Is it safe for the people in the room?
Well, it has a built-in safeguard. It uses special LiDAR technology to spot any humans nearby.
The whole system is designed specifically not to target people. But there's a catch.
And this is really important. There are a couple of critical safety warnings you have to know about.
See, if a bug lands on you, the laser might hit you, and never use it if you suspect a gas leak.
So you've basically got missile defense tech, but for your living room. It's pretty wild.
It really makes you think, huh? What other annoying problems could we solve with this kind of tech?